So, have you ever wondered how to remove backgrounds from a photo? Simple and easy. Then stay tuned and watch this video and I'll show you exactly how. Welcome to my video, guys. This is Darren from Darren On Demand, and I'm going to show you a simple way to remove backgrounds from your photos so that you can use them in your YouTube thumbnail, just like I have shown here. Let's get over to the video and I'll show you how to. Okay, so you open Keynote, and from Keynote you insert the photo that you actually want to remove the background. So I'm going to choose this one of me with my 2 thumbs up, and this is the simplest software I've actually found on how to remove a background. So first of all, increase the exposure so the background gets really light. Change the saturation so that the person or persons stand out a bit more. Click the edit mask and move the lines to where the actual picture is that you are going to be removing the background, just so that you don't have to get rid of every other bit of background. Now this is where the magic begins. Click the instant alpha and drag the square, and you'll see that different colours appear, and you'll see the actual background disappearing. So I don't really know why the actual colours change, but they do. Won't worry about it. Anyway, pretty much there. There's still one little bit you can see just up there on the left. There's a little bit, so remove that. Click the OK, and look at that. It is simple as that. How quick is that? So then just go File, Export, Save as an image, and then you can use that for your thumbnails on your YouTube channel. And you can import that into anywhere that you want. I then just save it into my overlays and just save it as a thumbs up. And that's it. Sorted. So there you go, it's simple as that, guys. So if you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. Also click my subscribe button if you're not subscribed to the channel, and then click that little notification bell so you can be notified on any new videos that I launch, just like the one that you're watching now. But till the next time, guys, take it easy.